This is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Here you see an Excel file that I have created, and it shows how to quickly hide unused cells, rows and columns in Excel. I use VBA to hide and unhide unused cells. There are two buttons, unhide and unscroll sheet. When pressed, everything works as usual. That means that you can go and use any part of the Excel, columns and rows. And there is a second button called limit scroll to existing rows and columns for sheet 1. When pressed, you will see some messages. The first message shows that the last row of the data here is row 43. The second message says that the last column is the fifth one, this one, E. The third message states the start height row, which is 51. And the final message shows that now you can see rows and columns from A1 to E50. If you want to bring everything again back to normal, you just press unhide and unscroll sheet 1. In case you add, let's say, another 2 rows, and you press limit scroll to existing rows and columns for sheet 1, now the last row will be 45. The last column will be again 5, and the start height row will be 53. And there is a message here in row 52 saying that here is the end of the scroll area. As you see, you cannot go left. You cannot go right, you can go left. Once again, you press unhide and unscroll sheet 1, and everything is clear again. Hope you find this video useful.